In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and straightforward process that will help you adjust your viewing preferences for a more comfortable experience with the platform. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Make sure you're using a browser that supports QuickBooks, and for this demonstration, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once the website loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you will see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on sign in to proceed. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password accurately. If you are signed up for two-factor authentication or any additional security features, make sure you complete that process as well. It's important to keep your login information secure and ensure that you're signing into the correct account. Having done that, click on the sign in button to access your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you are logged in, it's time to adjust the zoom settings. Since QuickBooks interfaces can sometimes appear too large on certain screens, making these adjustments can greatly enhance your usability on the platform. While on the QuickBooks dashboard, look towards the top right of your Google Chrome browser. You'll notice three vertical dots which represent the menu for customization and control of Chrome. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll need to find the zoom option. This is where you can change how much of the web content you are currently seeing on your screen. You might want to customize this for various reasons, such as fitting more data on your display, or simply making text easier to read at a reduced size. Now, to specifically zoom out, click on the minus icon that's right next to the word zoom. Each click will start reducing the percentage of the zoom level one step at a time. You should notice the content of your QuickBooks Online page becoming smaller and allowing more information to fit on the screen. Adjust the zoom level to a setting that feels just right for you. If at any point you wish to zoom back in, simply click the plus icon beside the minus icon and the content will expand accordingly. Once you've found the sweet spot that makes your QuickBooks Online experience seamless and optimal, you're all set. There you have it, you've successfully zoomed out on QuickBooks Online. Simple actions like these can significantly enhance your work efficiency and make using QuickBooks an even more enjoyable task. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your QuickBooks Online experience.